my birds. আজকে শিখব near আর far. near আর far. চলো বন্ধুরা near আর far কি আজকে শিখে নিই। near means close and far means remote. বাংলায় near মানে হচ্ছে কাছে আর far মানে হচ্ছে দূরে। আজকে আমরা শিখে নেব near and far এর পার্থক্য with examples. I am near the tree. I am far from the tree. I am near the house. I am far from the house. I am near the cycle. I am far from the cycle. I am near the gate. I am far from the gate. Near the goat, far from the goat. Near the mud house, far from the mud house. Near the electric pole, far from the electric pole. দেখলে তো বন্ধুরা আমরা near আর far কত সহজেই বুঝে গেলাম।